Ladies, drama, leave it home. If he ain't got it right by now, then scratch him off. He just called me, said it's about 20 strong. They standing at the door, don't wanna take us on the ring. Let it go about 3 months ago.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Sarah. I'm a pregnant mommy of 3. Here on my channel, you'll find lots of motherhood content, vlogs, clean motivation, and more. If that's something that you're into, then definitely subscribe. Hey, good morning, y'all. We are about to hit the road for a 5-hour road trip. My girl Ari is on spring break, so we're going to be spending spring break with my parents up north. So let's hit the road and let's get going.
Mama?
Yes, you on spring break too?
Yes.
Okay, spring break vibes. Let's get it. Let's go. Good morning, y'all. Hello. It is a few days later, y'all. We just been vibing this spring break. We done seen my parents. We checked into our Airbnb yesterday, getting settled. The kids actually have a doctor's appointment today. What's today, y'all? Today is a Thursday. Today's Thursday. The kids have their doctor's appointment today and then their dentist appointment tomorrow. Yes, we moved almost 2 years ago, and no, I have yet to find them a new dentist, a new doctors, a new anything. So whenever they have their appointments, I try to book them around the time that I know we're coming up here. And yeah.
I don't want to go to the doctor.
You don't want to go to the doctors? It's just a checkup. The little yearly checkup. But anywho, I think I gave y'all a little house tour, apartment tour, Airbnb tour. Just in case I didn't. Here's the bathroom. The kids' bathroom. And then we have, this is where the girls were sleeping. This room. And then AJ, my one and only boy, he was in this room. And then we walked down the hall, the door. Shh, too loud, y'all. The kitchen. Last night we had PF Chang's. It was so good. Kitchen area, living room area. And then the dining room area. It's a really nice size. We're only here for, I think, 2 days. So yeah, oh, and then the master. So it's like 7:20 now. We actually need to hurry up and hit the road because their appointment is like 30 minutes away from where we're staying at. So we'll have their their annual little checkup physical, and then hopefully we'll get some food and we'll see where the day takes us. So let's get ready to go to the doctors. Hey y'all, so we are back. The kids had their appointment this morning. It went well. The kids are growing. AJ did have to get 2 shots, 2 vaccines. He's good. That boy is a soldier. He did not even cry. But anywho, we're about to go into this TJ Maxx real quick, then go to Target, and then head back to the house. We are going to our birthday party on Saturday. My bestie's daughter is turning 7, aka Ari's bestie. So we gotta go to TJ Maxx, try to find her a gift. If we don't see nothing in here, then we're definitely gonna get something from Target. So let's go into this TJ Maxx and see what we see. Let's go. So Ari said that she would love this, which is very true because she's into like nail polish and nails and all the girly things. So maybe we'll get this. Ooh, for that price, yes. So I found this. She's really into Lilo and Stitch nowadays. So let's get this for her. Good morning, y'all. It is like, what, 2 days later? Y'all, this vlog has turned into something. Like, I am not picking up the camera. I haven't really been vlogging anything, but hopefully it's, you know, something. So we did get her a little birthday gift. We ended up going to Target. We got her a few things, and today is the day of the party. Today's Saturday, y'all. We're about to check out of our Airbnb. I need to go get like a little cart to carry all this stuff. Hubby took AJ. They already then drove back home. They're home now. So it's just me and the girls here. After the party, we're gonna like hit the road and head back home. It's been a long, you know, little spring break. We did a lot. Yesterday, whew, out of breath. Yesterday, they had a dentist appointment. That went okay. And after our dentist appointment, we went to go see my mom again. She ended up taking the kids to this like little bouncy house or indoor playground. So the kids played for like 2 hours. We got food, we chilled, and then AJ left with Dada. They went back home. And then me and the girls came back to the Airbnb and we went to bed, y'all. We was tired. It's been a long day or a long week just in general. So we went to bed. It is what? I think it's almost 11 o'clock right now. We're about to go get that little cart so I can load up the car, and then we're gonna get some breakfast and then the birthday party. Whew. I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath. Let's go get this little cart so I can load up this car and let's hit the road, get some breakfast. Ari says she wants IHOP. We'll see if there's an IHOP around here. The girls are dressed and they're ready. And we're ready to have a good day. So let's go on with our day. So I got one of these little carts. And now we can load it up and get out of here. So we made it to IHOP. The kids are about to eat their little breakfast. Y'all, that's how you know my girl Ava is a daddy girl. She keeps asking, where's Dada? Where's Dada? I'm like, girl, he went home. Right? Dada went home. Miss Dada.
I do a little bit.
So we ordered the food, waiting for it to come. They're gonna eat that, and then after that, it'll be time to go to the birthday party.
Mama?
Mhm.
Mama, what are you doing there?
I don't know. It's not in English. Oh, you gotta find out what the words say. You have to unscramble the word.
I don't know how to do it.
Okay, do something else. So breakfast was good. The girls ate. We all ate. We're full. I'm actually pretty tired. I'm ready to go lay down somewhere. But we don't have time for that. We just made it to the birthday party. Oh, y'all can't even see it. It's like one of those little like indoor playground places. Let's go in here. We're actually 15 minutes early. Look at me. Early for something. So we're going to go in here and see if they'll let us in. Even though we're 15 minutes early, I have to go to the bathroom. Listen, being pregnant, I'm constantly going to the bathroom. So hopefully they'll let me in here and go to this little bathroom or whatever. But anywho, let's go inside. Yes?
Mom,
say hi?
place, Mama. It was called.
What is it called?
Yeah,
Some little indoor program. I don't know. Come on, let's go. Y'all, they just opened up. Literally the place is like empty, which is perfect. The girls get to have a little time to themselves in here, do the little thing before the party starts. We're like 20 minutes early. I thought we were 15 minutes early, but we're like 20 minutes early, y'all. But it's fine. They let us in here. We just went to the bathroom.
letting all the people know that I'm back to run the show. Cause what they did, you know was wrong. And all the nasty things you've done. So baby, listen carefully.